Alright, hey, what's up everybody? So today, a couple of tips and tricks that I want to talk about that you can do to help your engine. Uh, Not necessarily your engine, but also all around. One thing is, we're coming into winter, and so you want to boost all your tires. During the summertime, then your pressure goes up, and then you're sitting at 115 pounds. So you got to empty them out, down to 100, 105, 110, whatever your preference is. But now during the winter time, it goes lower. So you've got 85-pound tires sitting there, and they can blow. So you want to make sure you keep your tires up to date. Another thing, I have Howes lubricator. This is a Howes diesel treatment. Howes makes it. Lucas makes it. It works really well. It's some really good stuff. But if you're cheaper and you don't want to spend the money on this kind of stuff, check this stuff out. Hydraulic fluid. That's all you need right there. Because diesel isn't as smooth as a lot of this, well, oil technically. So if you put in a gallon of hydraulic fluid in your diesel tanks, it's going to help and have almost the same effect as that diesel treatment does right over there. So anyway, those are a couple tips and tricks that you can use for this winter to help your truck out. And if you like these videos, like, subscribe, and share.